to Kate's kitchen, where we don't cook that often, but when we do, it's pretty darn good. Today I'm cooking a recipe gone viral called the Olive Garden chicken. I can hardly wait for this. I love Olive Garden. The best news is this is only 5 ingredients plus 1. If you want to do the pasta portion, you can do Olive Garden chicken on pasta. That's totally up to you, but I'm going to focus on the chicken part because every video I've seen, every review I've seen, everyone's going nuts about this Olive Garden chicken, and I've got to taste it, and you've got to taste it. So let's get started. Our first Crockpot ritual, the snap of the Crockpot liner. Are we ready? Here it is. So here we go. We gently line, doesn't that sound so nice? We gently line our Crockpot with the liner. Mwah. But it's the last one. It's a very sad day, but don't worry. I've got backup. Kate, why do you buy the liners? Honestly, it is the best investment for me because the cleanup is so simple. I do not like standing there scrubbing away. It takes away from the whole event of having this amazing chicken if I have to spend a lot of time after cleaning. So no muss, no fuss, Crockpot liner, boom. So now the stars of the show. We've got chicken. I've got 3 chicken breasts. I use Nature's Promise often. You don't have to, of course. I just like this chicken a lot. I've had really good experiences with it, and it's just what I prefer. I've got Parmesan cheese. This is the generic brand. You, of course, can get whatever brand you like. Now, this recipe, you can either do shredded or Parmesan, and my friend at work told me she preferred the Parmesan. I watched a bunch of the videos, and I'm like, ooh, this is what I have in my pantry, so this is what I'm going to use. 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 beautiful child. Oh, you're not in the recipe. He's not in the recipe. Oh, come on. You're gonna need 2 cups of Olive Garden's signature Italian dressing. There's 16 ounces, a cup equals 8 ounces. So boom, simple math, 2 cups, 16 ounces. This is all you're gonna need, people. And then we need some black pepper. Hopefully everybody's got some pepper in their house, but if not, I'd get a little. The option is you can do pasta. You can do spirals, you can do bow tie. This is some penne. Again, this is a generic brand pasta in my local area. I think it was like $1. So you can use pasta and you can cook it separately or you can put it in. I'm not gonna focus on the pasta. You do what you want. You could do this chicken with mashed potatoes on the side and veggies. Let's just see what it tastes like. I'm gonna see kind of what vibe I'm feeling and what I want to eat it with. My hands are nice and clean. I'm going to take the chicken. I'm gonna take the 3 chicken breasts and place them in the bottom. 2, 3. Now we're gonna open up this dressing, and since it's the exact amount, I'm gonna pour the whole thing in. Okay, here we go. Shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. Oh, it's just like we're at the restaurant. Did anybody notice? I'm wearing an apron today, you guys. But don't fret. Look. Look what's underneath. K-Squad love right there for you. But I'm wearing an apron and I'm feeling really official. Here we go, the pour. Be sure to get every last drop. You know how I roll. Around here, we recycle everything, so I just clean this out so I can put it in the recycling bin. All right, they say 1/4 cup cheese, but I mean, who are we kidding here? I really like cheese, and you know, last time I was saying I wouldn't improvise at all, but in this case, there might be an exception. Let me see how much actually comes out of here, and then if I need to do more, because just 1/4 cup seems not a lot, but let's see. Maybe if I pour it directly over here, there'll be a happy accident and it will just explode over the thing. Oh, all right, this is right. So let's see. Okay, fine, I'll stick with the recipe. Let's just do it right. Kaden just goes, yeah, do it right so it'll taste good. Okay, next I am doing this. Now I got the Philadelphia, and that's just because at my store, the generic was out. I would have probably got the generic, but some of the stores have a lot of stuff missing, and that one was one of the missing ones. So I might have got generic had I had the availability, but I did not. So let's go for the Philadelphia, which is usually a pretty reliable brand. All right, so you're opening this up. It's 8 ounces, and some people just dump it on top, but I am going to spread it a little block per chicken. That's my style. That's how I'm doing it. So I'm taking this, putting this to the left, all your cream cheese to the left. And then I'm taking this one, blocking it right on top of the middle one, and I'm gonna take the last one and put it over here. All right. Again, just make sure you got it all, guys. We're not wasting any bits. I mean, cream cheese, hello. And just like that, this is what we're gonna do. Ready? We're gonna cover it. Oh, wanna see what it looks like? That's what it looks like. And sprinkle some pepper on top. Cover it up. I put it on high for 4 hours. If you want to do it the longer, slower cooker way, you can do 5 to 6 hours, but your girl doesn't have time for that. High for 4 hours for me, that's what I prefer. I will see you in 4 hours. Watch this, ready? 4 hours later. The time has come. If it tastes as good as it smells, we are in for a real treat. Forking it apart, forking it apart. Just gonna put a little here. It's good, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Just a little bit more for a little chicken tasting. Okay, so it's delicious. I'm trying to think what I would want this on. And actually, I would want it either with the pasta, which I do think is a really good idea, or me personally, I love mashed potatoes. So this with some mashed potatoes and veggies would be delicious. So I'm actually going to show you what I do with the food after it's ready. Of course, if you're going to eat it right then, go for it. But for me, I put it in the refrigerator so that I can just keep making meals out of it. So what I do is I have this. It's a Pyrex. And then what I do is I take it out. See, remember I've got my liner here. I pour it all in here. Blinded by the smoke of the hot pot. Now, so this is what I got left. All I'm gonna do is take the liner off. That's not dripping because it's done. That's cleanup. Crockpot is pristine. And then this is a little bit big, but I put it in here. I could probably have done a slightly smaller container. I cover it up, and then I just take out what I need as I need it. But I'll put this in the fridge, and say one night I do pasta, I'll put that as a topping. Then another night I want to do mashed potatoes and veggies. We'll do it like that. And I'll repurpose like that protein for multiple meals. So this whole crock pot thing, you guys, this whole crock pot thing, like it's new. But crock pot cooking, the idea of making just one big batch and then having several meals later when it's so easy has really opened my eyes. And I'm really excited to share these simple recipes with you. If you're interested, let me know in the comments if you want more crock pot meals, more Kate's Kitchen cooking. Again, simple, easy, frugal. Yeah, you can try, babe.
Hello.
Try this.
It's not bad.
It's not bad?
Goodbye. Mama, I actually like it. Can I have more, please?
If you're gonna do this recipe or if you've done this recipe, please let me know. Do you add some pasta? Do you do it separate? What is your plan when it comes to Olive Garden chicken? It is delicious. I'll probably experiment with a couple things because there's a lot of chicken in here. And I'm sure once we get off this video, I'm gonna think of 5 other things that I wanna do with it. Thank you so much for watching Kate's Kitchen, Crockpot Cooking, Slow Cooker Sundays. I don't know if we're calling this something. Originally, when I was doing this, I wanted to encourage people that don't do a lot of cooking, that are very beginner like myself, because this is easy and delicious and it might get us in the mood to do more, which so far I did 1 video. Now this is the second one. Let me know if you're interested in Slow Cooker Sundays with Kate. Again, they're gonna be simple, easy, hopefully continuing to be delicious. That's 2 out of 2. Kaden is coming back for more. You want more? I'm about to make Kaden a plate, but can you say goodbye to the K Squad?
Bye, Cake Squad.
I will leave my last slow cooker recipe here for you to click on next. I hope you enjoyed this series, and of course, come back every single Friday for Frugal Friday for lots more on frugal living. Have a great day, everyone. Oh, and if you're not subscribed, please hit subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified each time I upload.
And like.
Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.